Are you an atheist? Don't you believe in God? Come, आपको एक स्टोरी सुनाते हैं। एक बार की बात है। A ship got destroyed in the middle of a sea, and all the passengers in it were drowned except one man by the grace of God. वो किसी तरह बच गए और समुंदर के किनारे पर आ पहुंचा। कुछ देर बाद जब उसका होश आया, उसने देखा कि वो एक द्वीप में है जहाँ पे कोई भी नहीं है। वो आदमी क्या होगा ये सोचकर भगवान से प्रे करने लगा और कहा, हे भगवान, कृपया करके मेरा मदद करें, यहाँ से घर जाने का मार्गदर्शन करें। परंतु कुछ दिन बीत गए, फिर भी कोई मदद नहीं आया। He spends that night sleeping on the beach. Next day when he woke up, he again starting praying to God. But फिर भी कोई मदद नहीं आया। कुछ दिन ऐसे ही गुजर गए। Finally he given up and taking the life of desolated island as his fate. The man started to collect some oats and grass and made a hut for himself. He collected things from the broken ship and kept him in the hut. He started surviving by eating coconut and fish on the island. He started spending his days as he has no way. One day, just far away, he lit a fire and started cooking fish in it. But when he returned, he saw that his heart was on fire. He was very sad due to the destructions of his only shelter. In anger, he raised his finger toward the sky and started complaining God and said, "Oh God, I told you to send me some help, but you didn't listen to my prayer. I had built a hut here to live and you burned that too. You are very cruel." He was very disappointed and kept complaining God till night. And then he fell asleep on the beach again. सुबह उसे एक आवाज़ ने जगाया। वो आवाज़ बहुत ही तेज थी। जब उसने आंखें खोली तो देखा एक जहाज उसके ओर आ रहा है। उसने अपने आंखों पर विश्वास नहीं हो रहा था। वो बहुत ही खुश था कि आखिर उसका मदद हो ही गई। He got on the ship and started sailing. After getting on the ship, the man asked the captain, आपको कैसे पता चला कि मैं यहाँ फंसा हुआ ऐसे in the deserted island? Captain replied, we saw a first signal sent by you coming from the island. We understood that there is someone on the island. That's why we have here, man. But Captain, I didn't send any fire signal. लेकिन हम तो ये फायर सिग्नल देख के ही यहाँ पे आए हैं। तभी वो आदमी को अपने बर्निंग हार्ट की याद आई एंड उसे समझ आया कैप्टन जिस फायर सिग्नल देख के यहाँ पे आया और जिसका वो बात कर रहा है वो उसके ही बर्निंग हार्ट था. He understood that it was a God's plan to get him out from the deserted island by putting his heart on fire. He understood that God's plan is bigger than his plan for himself, and then he started thanking to the God. So, if we see in our lives, we'll find that we'll do a lot of planning in our life, but what we want does not happen, and what happens is not of our choice. We always try to understand the happenings in our life with our limited mind, but जब हम पर मुसीबत आते हैं तो हमारा विश्वास डगमगाने लगते हैं. Even hope started to fade. उम्मीदें ख़त्म होने लगते हैं और हम भगवान से शिकायत करने लगते हैं, जबकि ऐसे समय में भगवान पर भरोसा रखकर मुसीबत से निकालने की कोशिश करना चाहिए. In a world of over 7 billion people, God has a purpose and a plan for each and every one of us. We should keep doing our efforts by keeping faith in Almighty without losing out of our efforts, and blessing together can get us out of every trouble. Therefore, whenever in your life you will feel like your plan is falling, everything happening against your wish, always remember that perhaps God has some other plan for you, and His plan is always bigger, bolder, and better than your plan for yourself. Thank you.